Sanders, and I'm letting you know what I love to eat in a given day on a whole food, plant-based, vegan, unprocessed, vegan lifestyle. I have 4 key rules when creating or structuring my daily meals. Number 1, flavor. Number 2, nutrient density. Number 3, variety. Number 4 is satiating. For breakfast, I usually love a large smoothie with 50% leafy greens and 50% fruit, like a creamy frozen banana and berries, as well as chia, flax, and hemp, chlorella, and filtered water. For lunch, I love to do loaded sweet potatoes with different types of beans or legumes, and then I love to fill that up with either raw or cooked vegetables and top it off with leafy greens, sprouts, more herbs, and some kind of a sauce like a salsa, guacamole, or hummus. For dinners, I love foodibles or nori rolls. Nori rolls, so I load those with any type of grain that I choose. Usually it's a brown rice with cabbage, sprouts, leafy greens, green onions, some hot sauce, and I'm good to go. For the bootables, my gosh, I love bootables because they're so versatile. You can be a creative person in the kitchen with bootables and create your own masterpieces. Load them up with roasted or raw vegetables, maybe some kraut, make your own sauce, boom, good to go. Very fast, easy, love it, no thinking involved, just kind of throw things together and it works. For snacks, I love whole fruit, as well as veggies with hummus, maybe some popcorn seasoned with nutritional yeast and some types of herbs and spices. And you can't forget about dessert. My dessert of choice is usually something to do with chocolate or dates. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed knowing what I eat in a given day on a whole food, plant-based, unprocessed, vegan lifestyle. Thank you.